one of the other most difficult topics is ordering fractions and decimals. So what we're going to do is we are going to order these numbers below from least to greatest. And that's what less than means. So this is the smallest, that's the largest. It is going to be a whole, you got two choices really. One, you can write them all as fractions, find a common denominator, write equivalent fractions, or I can make them all decimals. I don't know about you, but I don't want to find the least common denominator of 11, 20, 1,000, and 100. I don't want to do that. That is going to be way too much work. As much as you don't like making fractions decimals, that's a whole lot of work. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn these fractions, 71 over 20, and 3 and 6/11ths, we're going to turn them into decimals. So when I divide, I've divided here. Here's my division work. So 71 divided by 20 gives me 3 and 55 hundredths. So 71 over 20 is 3 and 55 hundredths. Right? So when I divide 11 divided by 6, I get 54 repeated. You just remember, when I divide by 11, when I divide by 9, sometimes when I divide by 6, I get repeats. Okay, so this is one that repeats. So my answer over here is 3 and 54 hundredths repeated. Now, here's where I got to put them in order. Okay. So the smallest, the whole numbers are all the same. Then I look at the ones, or the tenths place. 1, 5, 5, 5. Well, that's pretty easy. Okay. Then I look 4, 5, 4. Well, I know that this 5, 4, this next number is a 5. So that's how I can put 3 and 544 thousandths next. Okay. That's followed by that is followed by 3 and 55 hundredths, because if I add a 0 here, that's less than this as a 5. So that's why 71 20ths is next, followed by 3 and 6/11ths. Okay. See what happens when you go back and check over your work. You find your mistakes. So that is ordering fractions and decimals. Remember, make them all decimals, and then put them in order from greatest to least or least to greatest, whatever the problem says.